You're managing support with Zendesk, but organizing your work with Airtable. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new support ticket is created in Zendesk, automatically create a record in your Airtable database for tracking. Or update your Airtable analytics when ticket statuses change, keeping your support metrics current. Or even trigger new support tickets in Zendesk whenever critical records are updated in your Airtable workflow database. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Zendesk and Airtable, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.